I hope you never have to use this video, but if you follow these steps, it could save you a lot of time and money. You don't have a lot of time. The clock starts ticking the moment the crash happens. Those first minutes are essential for your claim. It's essential because the evidence disappears. You can't come back to the scene of the accident and take pictures of the other car. You can't grab witness information later on. You need to act very quickly. If you do the right thing in this moment, you will save a lot of time later on. So at the scene of the crash, you will probably want to take pictures of only your car, but that's incorrect. Make sure you take pictures of the other person's vehicle, because once that vehicle is gone, guess what? That evidence is gone. Take pictures of the scene, your car, and most importantly, the other car. When you talk to the other driver, make sure you grab a copy of their driver's license, their insurance information. If they start telling you why the crash happened, oh, I'm so sorry, I was eating a sandwich, the sun was in my face, I was not paying attention, I was on the phone with my kid. Make sure you note that, because that will become important later on. If the other person offers you cash, if the other person says don't call insurance, don't call the cops, don't fall for that. Follow the procedure, call the cops. If you're not at fault, you want a police report. You need an official report from the police, because the police will talk to the other driver, they will talk to you, they will talk to all the witnesses, and they'll summarize the information. Not only that, they will get information from the other vehicle, the other insurance. It's very important to go back to that official document. The insurance will need this document, and so will you. If there is a witness, grab their phone number and their name. Don't assume they're going to stay there. People are busy, people have places to get to, and once they're gone, they're gone. You're not gonna be able to get that information later on. And of course, make sure that the witnesses that you're going to use, make sure they're on your side. Make sure that their description of the accident is what you remember happening. And then you're gonna wanna call your insurance company. You have your police report, you have your evidence.
Psych!
Don't call the insurance company. Call me first so that I can guide you before you start making a recorded statement, signing documents, creating gaps in care, basically doing everything that will devalue your case. You need to talk to a lawyer right away. Maybe you're thinking, it's not necessary to call a lawyer. I can just call my insurance. That's why I pay them. I pay them to protect me. There's a conflict of interest between you and your insurance company. They want to make money and you need money. You will want to call your insurance company because that's what we've been conditioned to do. You've seen the commercials. How harmful could it be to call the Lizard or Flo from Progressive or Jake from State Farm? That's the worst thing you can do. You need to call a lawyer. What happened to your car? Is it total? Are you able to drive it home? Are you gonna have someone take it to the impound lot? This moment is critical. If it's safe for you to drive your car home, yes, do that. If it's not safe to drive your car home, make sure that you don't tell the tow truck to take it to the impound lot. Take it to your home, not the impound lot, your home. Once it goes to the impound lot, they start charging you by the day. I've had clients that within 24 hours, they already owe over $300, and it hasn't even been like a full day. If the insurance company doesn't pay for whatever reason, guess who will have that debt? That will be you. So don't take any risk. Right now, you don't know what kind of insurance the other person has. You don't know what your insurance will cover. Just make the smart decision and don't start incurring debt. So you were involved in a crash. That was not your fault. You're injured. How do you go to the doctor? Who's going to pay for this? If you have health insurance, you can actually use your health insurance. But a lot of people go to the doctor and they say, forget it. My health insurance doesn't have to pay for this. Let the other guy pay for this. Wrong. Don't do that. Use your health insurance. You already pay your medical bills. And my last tip for you, stay off social media. This is not the time to post about your crash and say, I'm good, this was a huge crash, but everything is fine, because all of that will be used against you. Stay off social media. If you need to update your family members, pick up the phone and call them. So you are back home and you're thinking, okay, my car is destroyed. I have to go to the doctor. I've never been involved in a crash like this. What do I do? Again, that's a great moment to call the Matos law firm. You want to make sure that you get a plan on what to do for your crash. If you call us and your case is not a case where you need legal help, I promise you, we'll tell you we cannot value to your case, but this is what you do. This is your next step. If we can help you, we'll tell you right away and we'll give you an action plan as well. Again, I hope you never have to use this video, but please save this. If you're ever involved in a car crash, I can't say this enough, call a lawyer and make sure to go back to this video for all the helpful tips.